What's going on, YouTube? Coin Bulls back at you again, giving you another episode. Today we're going to talk about stablecoins. Let's jump straight to it. So what are stablecoins? Stablecoins is a growing segment in the crypto market. You definitely need to have a basic understanding of them. Mainly what they are crypto assets that are actually backed by United States dollars. Some of them can be backed by commodities like gold and silver, but primarily I'm going to focus on the ones that are actually backed by United States dollar. So mainly, one of the main purposes of stable coins is kind of gives it's a hedge against the volatility of the crypto market. As you know, the price of Bitcoin could be like $8,500 while I'm making this video, and by the time I stop this video a few minutes, it could go up to 10,000. That's how volatile the market is. So stable coins allow you to minimize your volatility in the market. Case in point, I remember when Bitcoin shot up right to its highest level back in December of 2017, but then it started crashing. And even in 2018, even in the first and second quarter, the crypto market went through what it called a crypto winter, and because the price was still tanking. And then one day I had one of my crypto partners call me up on the phone before I had even went to work. He was like, "Wake up, man, crypto market is crashing." I was like, "You know what, I'm gonna call you back." Pulled up my account. I was like, "Oh hell no." I got on the phone, called my boss. I was like, "Boss, I won't be in today." She said, "Why?" "Because the crypto market is crashing. Talk to you later. Bye. Peace." I mean, it didn't exactly go down like that, but you understand what I'm saying. So I remember I started reading stuff. I was panicking. It was, as they say, blood in the street. I started panicking. I didn't know exactly what to do. I started reading some online things. I think it was the platform Reddit, and a person talked about they moved their funds over to a stable coin. I'm like, okay, stable coin, that makes sense. It's going to make my money stable. So at the time, the most popular one was Tether, and that's the name of the stable coin, Tether. Even though it was kind of controversial at the time, people were questioning, if they had the assets in the reserve to back whatever money you put in at the time, and they're still kind of going through some audits. But the bottom line was Tether saved me. I moved my $100,000 over to Tether, and it allowed me to stop the bleeding per se, because the price was still tanking at the time, but it allowed me to put a digital tourniquet on the loss that I was suffering at the time. And I just kind of parked my funds over there, and I waited for the market to kind of stabilize, and then I chose a good entry point to go in to jump back into the game. So stablecoin definitely helped me out. Some of the more popular ones, I'll just name a few. Of course, I mentioned Tether. You also have what they call USD coin, which is by Coinbase in their partnership with, who did they partner with on that? Circle. Also, you have Gemini Dollar, which is ran by the Winklevoss brothers. And then you have what they call TrueUSD, which is another stable coin. I'm going to put an excellent link down in this description below. Those of you who are new in the market and you want to get a better understanding, this article is a great read. It breaks down stable coins, gives you a little history, and yeah, excellent article. So if you have the time and you're trying to understand more about the market. And this is something that you need to understand. Once again, stable coins are a growing segment in the market, and you need to have a basic understanding of it. So what are some of the key takeaways I want you to understand about this? Is that, stable coins can be a great way of risk management, limiting the volatility that is in the crypto market. And another key takeaway I want you to understand: I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving you investment advice as far as stable coins. Please do your own research. These are just my opinions. Once again, we're going to keep this short. And I just if you like the content, like to ask that you subscribe, like, or comment. And if there's something that you want to try to understand better, please let me know. If you have any information on stable coins, please let me know in the comments, because I'm growing and learning myself. But until next time, run with the bull.